Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Where's the bass amp at?
Inside.
Inside? Okay.
Yeah, and two basic high amps are inside.
Okay. Right here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow. Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
I'm doing a YouTube video. How you doing? Nice. Good amp rack. Is there batteries underneath this? Back. Okay. Ooh. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Melinda.
Okay. Okay.
Bill is 415 X's, send out X's.
Okay.
7500 CAD DC, pushing those. And then I've got two 90s because I'm in high.
All right. Nice. Who built the box?
Friend had the box.
Okay.
We just bought it off.
Do you know the tunings and SPL score on it at all? No.
Ask him.
Okay, that's all good. It's all good. So, what is your lithium that you're running?
90.
90 amp hour? Okay.
Yeah. 270 for the pulse.
Okay. Very nice. I like it. Looks really good, nice and sealed off. I like the amp rack. Everything looks really good.
Gotta keep it as clean and as original as
Yeah.
possible.
Oh yeah. And then the bass flex breaks everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't want it that loud so it wouldn't break stuff.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready when you are. I'm ready to hear it. This is awesome. Hey, what's up, man? What's going on?
Bennie, I'm the jet. Let me get it now, story I have upgraded. Everybody back then used to hate it. Now they all appreciate it. I might sound out of my mind, matter of fact out of line, but I've been wanting to get it. Looking for something in due time. Baby, take it to the line. I'm in
Thank you very much. Really good musical build. Your electrical is really solid and it has a good bandwidth. So thank you. Appreciate it. What was your name?
Melinda.
Melinda. Thank you, Melinda. Jacob.
Thank you.